Hello, welcome back to fibeadvanceacademy. Okay, today we are going to discussing about topic is differentiation. Already we have discussed JEE mains level and JEE advanced. Already so many topics we have completed on previous days. Now recently we have completed function topic is completed. Function topic is three parts will be completed. In basic point is only completed in functions. Now successfully completed long terms of the so many topics will be completed, but today these are very important topics and easy topics. Differentiation, so many members is thinking is hardly, but these are very easy. I will explain clearly, neatly, will listen properly. Sir, what is the differentiation? What is the meaning of the differentiation will be discussed. So what is the differentiation? What is the differentiation? What is the said? Listen. So y equal to, example, I will take 2x x square plus 2x minus 2. So this is the equation. Y equal to x square plus 2x minus 2 is these are given equation. So here y equal to, we are applying the derivative of the differentiation for this equation, dy by dx equal to 2x plus 2. So dy by dx equal to 2x plus 2. So why we are applying here dy by dx? This 2x plus 2 is a, what is the set to 2x plus 2 is a geometrically. Why we are applying dy by dx equal to, will get 2x plus 2. Why will get? We'll discuss. So these are main important. Same way here y equal to sin x. So dy by dx equal to cos x. What is the cos x said here? Why we are applied to the dy by dx? Why dy by dx we are must and why we are applied dy by dx? Whenever we have y equal to sin x, the y equal to sin x we are applied to dy by dx, we will get dy by dx equal to cos x. Why cos x we are set to the geometrically? What is the set geometrically is cos x? Will be discussed. One small example. One mission is there. One mission is problems will come. One mission. In this mission, what you said, what you are doing, you work this mission when I was start. The mission is where is the problem is there in this mission. This identified is the physically. Understand? So what are the repair we are doing? These are maths. So totally differentiation is represented by the mass and physical displacement action will be discussed. So mass is the probabilistically derivations. Physics is nothing but where is the problem is occurred. Where is the problem is occurred. This called as a differentiation. The small example will be discussed. What is the main part of the differentiation in the problem in x? How to will get what is the dy by dx will apply, what is the dx, what is the we are apply dy by dx, what is the delta x, what is the delta y, what is the with respect to delta will be discussed one by one. One small geometrically will be represented here. Once listen, on the x comma y axis will take on the x axis money. At the same time will take on the y axis character. It's nothing but example. I have some money is there. Myself, some money is there. My money is nothing but x1. I have some money is there, x1. That time, what is my character? Whenever I have some money, that time what is the character? This is a y1. So this much of character myself that moment. Same way, here I have some more money increased. Some more money increases nothing but x2, x1 to x2 money is increased myself. That time what is my character here? So here once observe clearly, here money is increased and character also increased. Money is increased and character also increased. Here money is nothing but x1. Here money is displacement of the with respect to x. Same way character is displacement of with respect to y. This is nothing but delta x. These are displacement of the with respect to x axis. Same way character change. Character change is nothing but whenever the character change is with respect to delta y with respect to y axis. Is nothing but I have some money, that moment is my character some much of y1. Same way myself some money is increased, my character is also here change. Change is nothing but here money is x1 to x2 money change. Same way character y1 to y2 is character also change. Here this money is changed with respect to is nothing but delta x, change of x1 to x2. Same way here delta y is nothing but y1 to y2 is change. Is replacement of the x1 to x2 is change of the delta x, and same way y1 to y2 is with displacement to is change to the character delta y. This is the here whenever the change to x1 to x2, this small gap is nothing but differentiations of with respect to x. Same way this y1 to y2, this gap, small gap is there. This small gap is nothing but difference to y1 to y2 is difference is nothing but delta y. The small gap change is nothing but with respect to delta y. This is called as a differentiation. I hope this is the very understand. I hope all of you very easy you are understand. Finally we have said finally the small gap. Listen here. This here some much of gap is there. This gap is we are reduced. We are reduced some gap. Is nothing but this is a x1. This is a x2. Here how much is gap is there? The small gap. I hope yes. The small gap is there. Is nothing but like how much? Here also character also some reduced. Yes or no? Character also reduced. Yes, this is a character. So this message gap is so much. This small gap is there. Here finally here money is increased, character also increase. Same way money is decreased, character also decrease. Where this much of how much is there here? How much is this small gap? How much is here change is there? The small change, small gap is there. This small gap is nothing but a. This small gap is nothing but a. This small gap is nothing but is called as a differentiation. And here the graph first one is here x1 money is there. That time is point is decrease automatically like this is the function f of x. This is the function f of x. Now understand the function f of x with respect to represent of a x-axis and y-axis. This is the displacement of the x1 with respect to x-axis, x1 to x2 change the money, the automatically characters to change the small gap have change. This is nothing but a difference. This is the graphematically we are prove that this is a f of x. Next example is here on the graph in this graph where here we are taking is t. T is nothing but time. Here is nothing but here on the y-axis we will take yes. Yes, we will take. Here physically we are proved. On the x-axis I have take some point. These are 3 point is. Next the 3 point is lying on the y-axis some much of you. So example I will assume that some much value. Where this graph is increased to like here this graph is s equal to 3t square minus 2t plus 1. Understand? Where here once observe here this s equal to 3t square minus 2t plus 1. This is the equation where we are applied to the differentiation with respect to x. Understand? Yes. With respect to s is ds by dt equal to 6t minus 2. Where ds by dt with respect to what is the time? What is the time value here? We are taking time value point is 3. The 3 is with respect to t equal to 3 will get 16. Understand? Same way, therefore ds by dt equal to 16 where ds equal to 16 dt is nothing but once observe here ds is nothing but displacement of with respect to y-axis where equal to how many times of times with respect to time 16 times of the with respect to time. 16 times of the with respect to time here. So this is the one of the example whenever we are taking the differentiations of the here. How to these differ? These are differ. What is the meaning of these that differ? Now will be discussed what is the slope. Slope how to be derive means graph will be discussed. Next year slope. How to slope derive here? Here x1 is there myself. That time is the character is y1. Same way x2 money is there increase will get character is y2. Here once observe here this point is this slope point is touches the curve in this here and the same way whenever we change the money automatically character is intersect to another point. Now join this point 2 point. This is the slope of the curve. This point is the slope of the curve. How to listen whenever changed this money automatically this one slope also change. Are you understand? Slope also automatically here change. Next one here, this change automatically slope also change. Permanently slope is change. Slope is change in this diagram. Where this x1, x2 is change, slope also change. Next y1, y2 is change the character, slope also change. Understand? These are easy we are identified. So slope is automatically changed. Where whenever the money is increased, automatically character is changed. Whenever the money is increased, character also changed. That type of slope also changed. Next one is next year. Once observe here graph. This graph is in the x-axis. On the x-axis, the point is A. The point is A. Here, whenever the x-axis point we are taking A, this function is f of x. In the same way, this function x with respect to x-axis function is increased. How much increased? This distance is a h. So a plus h is increased. Same way, this here characteristics with respect to function also f of a plus also is increased. Right? The graph is here point is a comma f of x and a h comma f of a plus h. Once here observe here properly once. Here apply slope. Slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Same way here dy by dx with respect to m. What is the dy by dx? Value is m equal to tan theta. Where with respect to y and x dy by dx equal to m. Where the slope of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So already we know that x1 y1 x2 y2 points. We are substituting this equation f of a minus f of a plus h divided by a plus a h minus a. Same way x2 minus x1. x2 is nothing but a plus h minus a cancel. We'll get f of a minus f of a plus h divided by h. Where we are applied to limits to the derive. The derive of the f of x equal to limits to h tends to 0. H tends to 0 f of a plus minus f of a divided by h. What is x tends to 0? Whenever you are taking the h value is 0, automatically this condition totally is undefined. Same way h tends to be taken limits h tends to 0 f of a plus minus f of a divided by h, where dy by dx of equal to with respect to x equal to a. Therefore d of f of x divided by d of x, where d x equal to a. Therefore f dash a. So these are very important. The best example of f of wherever the f of x equal to f of a plus f of my a plus h divided by h. These are the limits to h tends to 0. These are example whenever we are take graphically method we are represented to the slope of the differentiation. These are example.